Hi guys, welcome to a new episode of Belly Dance with Tahira series. If you haven't subscribed to this channel so far, click the subscribe button down below and also click little bell next to it. It's the notification button, so you'll be notified about all new lessons on this series and of course about other new videos on my channel. And today we will do a movement which is called snake arms, and what will be maybe not necessary, but what will be helpful will be the movement of our hands and wrists, and all about it you can find out in this episode. So click this link up here and check it out, and then come back to the snake arms. And the snake arms, as the name states, are all about arms. So this movement starts in our arm, and you can think about the top part of our arm as a separate part of your body, and we want to move them in circles backwards. So this is more or less the movement, but now we want to isolate this movement from the rest of our body, and what is even more important, from the rest of our hand. So the movement starts in the top part of our arm and it finishes in our elbow. You can grab something here, a chair, you can put your hand against the wall, so it will be isolated if you're doing it for the first time. So you can grab something here, and now you're doing circles backwards in your arm, finishing the movement in your elbow. So you're not moving the whole hand or arm, just the top part, finishing the movement in your elbow. So you do the circle backwards and circle backwards and circle backwards, and the same also goes for the left hand. So you can here grab something also, or put your hand against the wall. And once again, the top part of the arm is doing circles, finishing the movement in your elbow. So once again, you're not moving the whole hand, just your arm till the elbow. And with this movement, you can do a kind of very basic snake arms. So you're not moving the rest of your hands, just using your arms in nice isolation. You're doing the circles continuously without a stop, one after another all the time. Backwards, 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 backwards. It's a very fluent movement. There is no pause, no stop, just the circles all the time. And when you want to do the whole movement, you have to incorporate the rest of your hand. But remember, it's not the elbow working, it's not the hand working. Snake arms are about arms. So the movement starts in your arm, and this is just the reaction of the action that started in your arm. So you've got circle in your arm, and then your elbow response going slightly up, then your wrist response, and then your hand response. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And of course the same in your left arm, left hand. So you've got arm, elbow, wrist, hand. Arm, elbow, wrist, or your palm to be exact. Arm, elbow, wrist, palm. Arm, elbow, wrist, palm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we've got this nice fluent release of movements from the previous video. And now once again you want to link these two sides. So we're doing continuously circles backwards without a stop, adding the rest of our hand. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. and this is how you do snake arms. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Tell me how it went for you. Was it difficult? Was it easy? Did you manage to do the basic variation, or did you manage to do the whole movement along with all the details in our elbows, wrists and hands? And if you have any more questions or doubts, also leave a comment below and I will read all of them and answer. And of course, hit the subscribe button down below so you won't miss new episodes from this and other series on my YouTube channel. And let's meet here next week for the new episode of Belly Dance with Tahira. Thank you very much for your time and see you soon. Bye!